Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Siddhi Mishra and I am from Jangiganj, Kunmanpur, Bhadohi. Today's my topic sentence. So please ask me question.
तुम्हें किताब पढ़ना पड़ता है.
You have to read book. You do not have to read book. Do you have to read book? Do you not have to read book? Why do you have to read book? In the past, तुम्हें किताब पढ़ना पड़ता था. You had to read book. You did not have to read book. Did you have to read book? Did you not have to read book? Why did you have to read book? In the future, तुम्हें किताब पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You will have to read book. You will not have to read book. Will you have to read book? Will you not have to read book? Why will you have to read book? Thank you. That's all about sentence.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Sujit Kumar Yadav. I am from Bhimpur. So today my topic is sentence. So please ask me question.
मेरी मम्मी को खाना बनाना पड़ता है.
मेरी मम्मी को खाना बनाना पड़ता है. My mother has cooked food. My mother does not have cooked food. Does my mother have cooked food? Does my mother not have cooked food? Why does my mother have cooked food? In the past, मेरी मम्मी को खाना पकाना पड़ता था. My mother had cooked food. My mother did not have cooked food. Did my mother have cooked food? Did my mother not have cooked food? Why did my mother have cooked food? In the future, मेरी मम्मी को खाना पकाना पड़ेगा. My mother will have cooked food. My mother will not have cooked food. Will my mother have cooked food? Will my mother not have cooked food? Why will my mother have cooked food? That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Vinit Yadav. I am from Jangalpur. Please ask me question.
मुझे गड्ढा खोदना पड़ता है.
I have to dig the hole. I do not have to dig the hole. Do I have to dig the hole? Do I not have to dig the hole? Why do I have to dig the hole? In the past, मुझे गड्ढा खोदना पड़ता था. I had to dig the hole. I did not have to dig the hole. Did I have to dig the hole? Did I not have to dig the hole? Why did I have to dig the hole? In the future, मुझे गड्ढा खोदना पड़ेगा. I will have to dig the hole. I will not have to dig the hole. Will I have to dig the hole? Will I not have to dig the hole? Why will I have to dig the hole? Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Nikhil Modon. I am from Jangiganj. Please ask me question.
मुझे अपना अधिकार पूरा करना पड़ता
I
है.
have to complete my homework. I do not have to complete my homework. Do I have to complete my homework? Do I not have to complete my homework? Why do I have to complete my in the past? मुझे अपना गृह कार्य पूरा करना पड़ता था. I had to complete my homework. I did not have to complete my homework. Did I have to complete my homework? Did I not have to complete my homework? Why did I have to complete my homework? In the future, मुझे अपना गृह कार्य पूरा करना पड़ेगा. I will have to complete my homework. I will not have to complete my homework. Will I have to complete my homework? Will I not have to complete my homework? Why will I have to complete my homework? That's all.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Sneha Gupta. I am from Jangiganj, Bhadohi. Today my topic is a sentence. So please ask me question.
उसे कुएं से पानी खींचना पड़ता है.
In the present, उसे कुएं से पानी खींचना पड़ता है. He has to draw water from the well. He does not have to draw water from the well. Does he have to draw water from the well? Why does he have to draw water from the well? In the past, उसे कुएं से पानी खींचना पड़ता था. He had to draw water from the well. He did not have to draw water from the well. Did he have to draw water from the well? Did he not have to draw water from the well? Why did he have to draw water from the well? In the future, उसे कुएं से पानी खींचना पड़ेगा. He will have to draw water from the well. He will not have to draw water from the well. Will he have to draw water from the well? Will he not have to draw water from the well? Why will he have to draw water from the well? That's all about it.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Ajaz Sharma. I am from Kunmanpur, Jangiganj. Today my topic is sentence. Please ask me question.
मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ता है.
I have to speak English. I do not have to speak English. Do I have to speak English? Do I not have to speak English? Why do I have to speak English? In the past, मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ता था. I have to speak English. I did not have to speak English. Did I have to speak English? Did I not have to speak English? Why did I have to speak English? In the future, मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ेगा. I will have to speak English. I will not have to speak English. Will I have to speak English? Will I not have to speak English? Why will I have to speak English? Thank you. That's all about it.